That's Miss Naomi there. And that's Midnight. Yeah. And this is Copper. Yeah, Copper wanting attention. Go play. Go play. Ooh, bulldozed by Naomi. That's Copper, and that's Midnight with them. Yeah, there's Midnight and Copper. What you doing, Copper? Midnight, do not chew on that. Leave it. Leave it. Whew. And that would be Naomi and Hera. Here's Copper. I think. Let me double check. Yep, that's Copper. Hi, Copper. Puppy, puppy, puppies! Here, 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 here. What you doing, Copper? Copper. Whew. I'm plugged in, so I can't go too far. Woo! Who was that? Oh no. They both came barreling through here. Come here, sweetie.
That's Midnight right there.
Yeah, that's Midnight there. Sorry, the only way I can tell a lot of times is by reaching down and feeling. So, that's Midnight there. What you got, Midnight? You got paper? And that's little Miss Naomi. Woo, that just rolled off the night-night. What's the matter, Midnight? You getting tired? Midnight. Puppy, puppy, puppies. Here, 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 here. That's Copper there, I'm pretty sure. Come here, sweetie. Hey. Yep, that's Copper. That's Copper. He's full of beans. He has lots of energy. Whew. Are you getting them? Are you getting them? Whew. She's gonna give you what for, Copper?
Leave it. Leave it. Leave it.
Little Miss Murray. Little Miss Murray is going to go after Copper. And there's Hogan. Whew. Hogan and Miss Murray playing rough and tumble. Copper not wanting a piece of that.